Samsung's Galaxy A36 is here, and it's aiming to shake up the mid-range game in 2025. But is it worth your hard-earned cash? I'm breaking down everything you need to know from design to performance, so stick around. And hey, if you're enjoying this deep dive, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech reviews you won't find anywhere else. Right off the bat, the A36 tweaks Samsung's familiar formula. You've got a larger 6.7-inch OLED screen, a Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, and even Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both sides, a nice upgrade from last year. The camera module's now a unified island, and while the frame's still plastic, the phone's actually lighter. Oh, and IP67 dust/water resistance? Still here? No complaints. That 6.7-inch display? Gorgeous. 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1080p sharpness and brightness that peaks at 1230 nits in auto mode, way better than last year's 1000 nit cap. Colors pop, scrolling's buttery, and Samsung's tuning keeps blacks deep. No HDR support, but at this price? Fair trade. Plus, stereo speakers deliver solid audio with punchy bass. Check the samples below to hear for yourself. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 keeps things smooth. It's not a gaming beast, but daily tasks? Flawless. No throttling, no overheating, and benchmarks are neck and neck with last year's model. Storage starts at 128GB. Sadly, no microSD this time, but you can bump to 256GB. And software? One UI 7 over Android 15, packed with features like AI-powered object eraser and Google's Gemini Assistant. 6 years of updates? Chef's kiss. Battery life's decent, 11 hours and 38 minutes in our stress test, but slightly shorter than the A35. The big news? 45W charging support, though real-world gains are modest. With the right charger, hint, not the included cable, you'll hit 60% in 30 minutes. Full charge? About 12 minutes faster than before. Not groundbreaking, but welcome. Now the cameras. The 12MP selfie cam's a huge upgrade. Crisp details, natural skin tones. Main shooter? Reliable in daylight, though colors sometimes oversaturate. Low-light shots need manual night mode for best results, and the ultra-wide? Hit or miss with exposure. Macro and 4K video, main cam only, are pleasant surprises for the price. So who's this for? If you want Samsung's polish without flagship prices, the A36 delivers. Just know, no expandable storage and launch pricing steep. Wait for a drop and it's a no-brainer. Alternatives? Check the A55 for better specs or the A56 if you've got extra cash. Music fades back in. Loved this review? Smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tech takes, and drop a comment. What's your dream mid-ranger? Catch you in the next one.